I'm back. It's day 2 and we still have our advent calendars to open today. I'm not gonna open them now. I'll open them later when I pick my little man up from school. So once we've got him from school, we'll come back and open them. Today is my intention to get the Christmas tree out and get the decorations out and see what has actually survived the last 12 months, and if I need to go and purchase anything new, and if I need to purchase anything or replace anything that is broken. I am praying when I go into that cupboard that everything is fine and we haven't got anything broken, but I'm excited for day 2 on my calendar, and he has been wanting his chocolate, so come along on our journey as we see what we've got today. And I'm excited because I wasn't expecting the teeth whitening toothpaste thing powder, which I tried last night and this morning, and it was actually quite pleasant. It is a mess, I have to say, because these powders just get everywhere and it's black, and I was wearing a white nightgown and it was a mess. But yeah, let's see if that can make any improvement, get my teeth pearly white. But when I pick up little man, I'll be back and I will show you if I have anything broken in my Christmas decoration box. So until then, bye guys. Hey guys, so I'm back. I have actually taken the stuff out as promised. So I have a stash of things there. And I have my wreath bag here. I've opened it. So last year I bought this giant bow and I put it at the bottom of the stairs. This one. So you can see right there, there's a little crease in it. So I don't know how I'm going to be able to fix it. It was a giant bow and it was at the bottom of the stairs. So I'm going to try and see if I can rectify it, because I did get a whole load of garland to go around the stairs to wrap it so I can embellish it and make the stairs look really cute. So that is part of it. I've looked at the wreaths that I had last year. This is the one that I put in the kitchen. It needs a bit of fixing up, and these are the wreath hooks that I use. That's the one for the kitchen, and I also have this one that goes on my front door. So it's looking okay, just need to fix bits that are moving and stuff like that. So this one will be getting fixed up. And I also have a red hook that I put on the front door. So now my issue is the weather has been really bad, windy and wet. We've had rain and stuff, but it's been really extremely windy, so I'm hoping that it doesn't blow my wreath away. So I'm gonna have to secure it down properly because the weather looks like it's going to be really bad this year. So yeah, the wreath bag is okay. So this is a new addition. It needs some batteries. I haven't actually seen how it looks with the batteries and everything, but it just looks really cute, and I thought it'd be a nice addition to the decor. And these are a few new bits that I bought from B&M. So let me show you. I got this mug. It's so cute. It was £2 from B&M, and it had little gold Christmas tree and green Christmas tree. Little mug, my little glass. I think that was really cute. Goodbye. I don't really want to buy too many ornaments, but I did pick up this locket ornament from B&M as well. This was £2.50. I think it looks so cute. The details on it was just, and it opens, which is me and my son said we're going to put notes in it for each other for Christmas Day. So when we open our presents, we're going to open them up and we're going to have little notes to each other. So it opens up like this one. So cute. I have the pink one and he has the silver one, and this is the pink one. I really wanted to go pink and white with the Christmas tree this year because my white is a white flock Christmas tree. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. If I'm still going to go and pick up a few more pink items or just keep it as I normally do, which is silver, white and hints of red. But yeah, I really don't want to go spending for Christmas ornaments because I have a lot of Christmas ornaments. This container is full of Christmas ornaments. So look, okay, this one got a little bit of a damage, but a majority. Oh wow, I still have candy. I don't know if that's right. I still have candy cane from last year. Is there an expiration date on these? Okay, these are just for decorations. I don't think anyone should be eating year-old or 2-year-old candy canes, but I have candy canes that I stick on a tree. I might have to get new ones if these are out of date. You want candy cane? Yeah. You want all of them? Hi guys, so I'm about to open my advent calendar. We had a bit of a hiccup and the chocolate calendar got melted and he had to open that off camera. Also in this bit of the clip I'm explaining that I'm about to open my calendar and there was actually nothing behind day number 2, as you're going to see right now. Nothing. I was very disappointed, and yeah, what had happened was laying it flat and standing it up, things had shifted around, so clearly they weren't secured properly and I was very upset.